Are you tired of SUVs that drain your wallet with endless repairs? Those vehicles that, instead of taking you on adventures, take you straight to the mechanic, draining your savings and your patience? Get ready, because today we're going to reveal the 12 SUVs that defy this rule, offering not only the freedom of a sport utility vehicle, but also the peace of mind of knowing you won't be caught off guard by exorbitant costs. This isn't a common list of beautiful or powerful cars. It's a strategic guide for you to invest in a vehicle that truly gives you peace of mind and long-term savings. It's an inconvenient truth. Many SUVs, despite their versatility and appeal, can turn into financial black holes. Expensive parts, specialized labor, and the complexity of certain systems can make every visit to the workshop a blow to your budget. But the good news is that not all SUVs are created equal. The key to true savings and a stress-free ownership experience lies in choosing a model that combines proven reliability with a low repair cost. That's what we're going to talk about now, starting with the market darlings that have already proven their worth. Stay until the end to find out which one is ideal for you and how to avoid the financial pitfalls that many SUV owners face. Car number 1. Volkswagen T-Cross, the economy darling. When it comes to compact SUVs that don't break the bank, the Volkswagen T-Cross, especially models from 2019 onwards, quickly comes to mind. Its reputation for low maintenance costs is no accident. With affordable parts and a vast network of dealerships and specialized workshops, the T-Cross stands out as an easy car to maintain. Its popularity in the Brazilian market ensures that finding replacement components or performing routine services is a simple and, most importantly, economical task. It's the perfect choice for those looking for a modern, agile SUV that won't leave you stranded or at the mechanic. Car number 2. Volkswagen Nivus, innovation with reduced cost. The Volkswagen Nivus, launched in 2020 with reliable models from 2020 to 2022, is proof that innovation and economy can go hand in hand. A recent study by CESV Brazil, a reference in vehicle safety and repair costs, pointed to the Nivus as one of the cheapest compact SUVs to repair. This means that, even with all its embedded technology and bold design, the Nivus was designed to be friendly to your wallet when it comes to maintenance. It offers a connected and safe driving experience, without you having to worry about unpleasant surprises when it's time for a review or eventual repair. Car number 3. Nissan Kicks, the reliable city companion. If you're looking for an SUV that is synonymous with robustness and durability, the Nissan Kicks, particularly the 2022, 2021, and 2022 models, is a choice that rarely disappoints. Known for its reliable mechanics and components that stand the test of time, the Kicks translates into fewer visits to the workshop and more time on the road. Its engine and transmission are praised for their longevity, meaning you can drive for many miles without worrying about major repairs. It's the ideal companion for daily city life, offering comfort, fuel economy, and, above all, predictable and accessible maintenance. Car number 4. Fiat Pulse, accessible modernity. The Fiat Pulse, introduced in 2021 with reliable models from 2021 onwards, arrived on the market to prove that it's possible to have a modern SUV with attractive design and cutting-edge technology without compromising the budget with maintenance. This compact SUV stands out for its competitive maintenance cost, making it an extremely attractive option for those looking for an updated and economical vehicle. The secret lies, in part, in its 1.3 Firefly engine, widely praised for its efficiency, fuel economy, and, crucially, its reliability. The Pulse is the smart choice for those who want style, performance, and, above all, a car that won't give you a headache when it's time to take care of it. Car number 5. Jeep Renegade, surprisingly economical. For many, the Jeep brand evokes images of adventure and robustness, but also, at times, of high maintenance costs. However, the Jeep Renegade, with reliable years including 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023, especially in its most popular versions, surprisingly debunks this idea. With good parts availability in the market and a consolidated service network, the Renegade proves to be an SUV with a more accessible maintenance cost than one might imagine. It offers the iconic style and off-road capability expected from a Jeep. Without this translating into a hole in your repair budget, it's proof that it's possible to own a Jeep without sacrificing economy. Car number 6. Jeep Compass, the perfect balance. Following Jeep's successful line, the Compass, especially models from 2017 onwards, with 2019, 2020, and 2024 being particularly strong, positions itself as a mid-size SUV that strikes a remarkable balance between sophistication, performance, and yes, good cost-benefit in maintenance. Sharing many of its platforms and components with other models of the brand, the Compass benefits from a vast availability of parts and a network of dealerships and workshops that make life easier for the owner. It offers a complete package for those looking for a more spacious and comfortable SUV without maintenance becoming a financial burden. It's the ideal choice for families who need space and reliability. Car number 7. Toyota RAV4, the legend of durability. When it comes to reliability and low repair costs, Toyota is a brand that needs no introduction, and the RAV4, with the 4th generation, 2013 to 2018, being highly recommended, and the 2018 model year, often cited as the best, is one of its greatest exponents. Its reputation for durability is unshakable, with engines that run hundreds of thousands of kilometers without major problems and depreciation that remains low over time. Investing in a RAV4 means being sure of a vehicle that will rarely let you down and that, when it needs maintenance, the cost will be predictable and fair. It's a car for those seeking peace of mind and a safe long-term investment. Car number 8. Honda CR-V, comfort and reliability. Honda, like Toyota, is synonymous with cutting-edge engineering and mechanical reliability. The CR-V, with strong reliability in models from 2013 to 2016 and 2020 onwards, and the 2015, 2016, 2017, 2019, and 2021 models often highlighted, is a perfect example of this philosophy, offering an SUV that combines exceptional comfort, versatility, and predictable maintenance. CR-V owners rarely report serious problems, which translates into fewer trips to the workshop and more time enjoying their vehicle. If you are looking for a spacious, comfortable SUV that won't bring you unpleasant surprises when it comes to taking care of it, the Honda CR-V is a choice worth considering. Car number 9. Chevrolet Trailblazer, the durable giant. For those who need a larger SUV with capacity for 7 passengers and robustness to face any challenge, the Chevrolet Trailblazer, with reliable models including 2008, 2009, and the newer 2022 to 2024 models, stands out as a surprisingly durable option with reasonable maintenance for its size. Built on a robust platform, it is designed to withstand intense use and different types of terrain, without requiring constant repairs. Its reliable mechanics and parts availability ensure that, even though it is a large vehicle, maintenance costs will not be a deterrent. It's the ideal SUV for large families or for those seeking adventure without worries. Car number 10. Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, adventure without worries. If your life calls for adventure and an SUV that can take a beating, the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, with the 2008 to 2015 4th generation models being highly recommended for their balance of durability and value, and the current model in production since 2015, is the answer. Known for its legendary resistance and durability, this SUV is built for the most demanding challenges, whether in the city or off-road. Its mechanical reliability is one of its greatest strengths, ensuring that you can explore new horizons without worrying about unwanted surprises at the workshop. The Pajero Sport is an investment for those looking for a robust, capable vehicle that offers predictable maintenance, allowing you to focus on your next adventure. Car number 11. Mazda CX-5, the driver's choice for reliability. For those who prioritize driving dynamics alongside reliability, the Mazda CX-5, with models from 2017 onwards, consistently receiving high reliability ratings, offers a compelling package. Mazda has built a strong reputation for producing vehicles that are not only engaging to drive, but also incredibly dependable and cost-effective to maintain. The CX-5's Skyactiv technology focuses on efficiency and longevity, translating into fewer unexpected repairs and a more enjoyable ownership experience. It's an excellent option for drivers who want a stylish, fun-to-drive SUV that won't break the bank on upkeep. Car number 12. Hyundai Creta, the popular low-cost option. The Hyundai Creta, with models from 2020 onwards, generally considered very reliable, though earlier models were also good, has won the hearts of many and has become one of the most popular SUVs in the country. And not by chance. In addition to its modern design and good performance, the Creta stands out for its accessible maintenance. The vast availability of parts in the market and the capillarity of Hyundai's service network make Creta's maintenance a simple and economical task. It's the perfect choice for those looking for a compact SUV, agile for everyday use, and that won't weigh on your pocket when it comes to taking care of it. The Creta proves that popularity and low maintenance costs can, indeed, go hand in hand. We've reached the end of our journey through the 12 SUVs that promise to free you from the headaches of expensive repairs. As we've seen, choosing the right SUV goes far beyond design or power. It's about making a smart investment in a vehicle that offers you peace of mind and long-term savings. The models we've presented today are proof that it's possible to have the versatility and comfort of an SUV without it translating into a hole in your budget. They're your ticket to the freedom of driving without financial worries, enjoying every mile with the certainty that you've made the right choice. Which of these SUVs would you choose for your garage? Leave your comment below and share your experiences. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you next time.